Number 1. Dear guests, thank you for staying with us. Since our hotel was opened in 1976, we have been committed to protecting our planet by reducing our energy consumption and waste. In an effort to save the planet, we have adopted a new policy and we need your help. If you hang the Eco card at the door, we will not change your sheets, pillowcases, and pajamas. In addition, we will leave the cups untouched unless they need to be cleaned. In return for your cooperation, we will make a contribution on your behalf to the National Forest Restoration Project. We appreciate your cooperation on our eco-friendly policy. Sincerely, Stephen Smith.